everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm so incredibly excited to unbox my very first package with Monat. I'm also really excited to announce that I am an official market partner with the company. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and discussing the company a little bit more. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned and keep on watching.
Down, down, down.
Okay, so for starters, for those of you who've never heard of the company before, I do want to emphasize and also let you know what the brand stands for. So for starters, it stands for Modern Nature, and it also is a luxury hair and skincare brand that is cruelty-free and vegan. So it's really good products for your hair. I myself personally have never tried them before, but that is what all this package is, and I'm really excited. I got the hydration pack, and the reason why I got that package is because of my actual skin type on my hair. So my scalp is pretty dry and my ends of my hair are pretty dry. As you guys can see, I have curly hair, and if you've been a subscriber of mine for some time, then you would also know that this is natural. So my hair without any product is very blah. It's very, I don't even know how to describe it. You wouldn't even know that it's curly hair. I have to diffuse it, I have to use certain products in it, and a lot of those products, okay? I can't even just put a dime sized product. I have to actually put a decent amount in order to get anything close to this. Mind you, because I do have dry scalp, it irritates my scalp, therefore itchiness, and I'm tired of that. I'm currently using all the products that you can think of. I've gone to the doctor. I've even been using Head and Shoulders, Salsa Blue in the past, and they work. My scalp has been worse than what it is today, but it's a slow, very slow process, and I feel that with new products that are good for hydration, which is something that my scalp is lacking, that it's probably what my scalp needs, and these products promote that, so why not give it a shot, you know? So let's unbox this. So the first thing in this box are these 4 little booklets, I want to say. I'm going to open one of them to know for sure, but they're really cute, look very pretty, and let's see what it actually is. Okay, so what this looks like is like mini cards of the specific product that is shown in the front to kind of give out to your clients. That way it's like a summarization of how to use it, what's so good about this product, and what it's used for. So what's the purpose of buying this product? So I think that's pretty cool. You know, you can give them out to your clients if you're seeing them face to face, and I love that. Or if you're going to be curating a package for them, you can insert these little cards. That's what it looks like. These seem to be one of the newer products from the company itself. Next thing we have is this little package. It's really big, like it's a lot bigger than what I was expecting when I saw the picture online. I just thought it was going to be a little pouch, something cute on the side, and I love the color. It's really pretty, and it feels really like that jelly type feel with the bag, so I'm really obsessed with this. It comes with a lot of goodies inside. So these look to be like a bunch of samples, which is really exciting. So we have the Berry Refined Scrub. We have, okay, these look like Berry Refined Scrub. Okay, Berry Refined Scrub, the Be Balanced Cleanser, the Be Gentle Cleanser. We got more Be Balanced. And then we have the 30-Second Miracle Perfector. We have a few of those. And then what else do we got? This is really cool. I love samples. So I had the Rejuvenate Oil sample. We have a couple of those. What else? Ooh, I love samples, you guys. Okay. I have the Hair Transformation Mask. A couple of those. I have the Revive Shampoo sample. The Volumizing Revitalized Conditioner, and the Revive Shampoo. So I think I have 4 Revive Shampoo samples, which is really fun. So that can be included with a package that you're curating for your clients as well. Or if you have some people who are like undecisive of the entire company or the product itself, you can try those out. Or for myself who didn't receive all of these products, I can definitely try them out with these samples. So I think that's really cool. Again, this bag is really big, a lot bigger than what I was expecting. It says Monat on the front, and it's really cute. I can definitely see myself rocking this with some random outfit that I have in my closet. Okay, so next in the box we have what seems to be what caused the entire box to be heavy. This is pretty, has some weight to it. Looks like a big booklet. This is what it looks like when you open it. And inside, let's see. We have the Smart Start workbook, which is supposed to be like your best time when you're starting out. So then in here I have like all the benefits and the perks of being a market partner, these cool little packets that I'll get into later on my personal time. But it's really cool. It came with like this cute little package that I can keep everything nice and organized. So that's really something that I like about it. So now for the goodies. So I believe I got a total of 8 different products. Let's go. So the first product I see is this Voluminizing Revitalized Conditioner, and it says for fine flat hair with Rejuvenate Oil. I must say packaging is on 100. It's so good. It feels really nice and sleek. It also looks really aesthetically pleasing to have in your bathroom. I love the color combo and just the organization of how simple and modern it looks. I'm just obsessed with packaging, so a hundo for packaging. Next product I got in here is the Monat Voluminizing Revive Shampoo. So these products will go hand in hand together. Again, love packaging. Color combo, absolutely amazing. Open it this way. Let's see if this is nice and sealed. It's sealed for y'all. And the way that they recommend you use this product is to use it twice. First time that you will use it, you won't really see any foaminess, but the second time you will. And that's just a product working both times. So looking so pretty. Now the last product that I got in my first little box is the Monat Champ Conditioning Dry Shampoo. So I'm not really one to use dry shampoo. I don't know why, I'm just not one to use it. But I'm looking forward to using this. Like, let's see. I think you would shake it up and it would give you like some volume. It smells pretty good too. I really like that. Oof. So, smells really good. So it says it's going to help freshen the hair, absorb the oil, condition and add volume without any need of extra water. So I think that's pretty cool. I love the packaging. It's also a different feel from these. And the color combo is amazing. Okay, so that is the end of box number 1. Let's move on to box number 2. And we got a few different products here. So product number 1 is the Dry Texturing Spray, which adds texture, voluminizing your hair, and defines all with Rejuvenate Oil. So this spray says, this invisible dry hair spray builds incredible volume and chic cool texture, giving hair inevitable body and dimension with a touchable soft finish. So I actually heard really great things about this product, because I don't know about you guys, when you use a lot of hairspray, it can either accumulate and become very white in the areas that you sprayed multiple times with hairspray, or it could also feel very crunchy. And I have hairspray all throughout my life, especially when I'm trying to get my hair to be very voluminous. When I'm about to take a shower for the night, it's super crunchy and super white, and I've heard amazing things about this product itself, that you will not feel any crunchiness. It's a soft touch, and that's literally what it claims to do. So to hear a lot of people's reviews saying and kind of agreeing with what the claims are on this product, that's amazing. Really amazing. Next product I have in here is the Unknot Detangler. Boy, do I need this product, okay? I don't own any detanglers at the moment besides my hairbrushes. And after I shower, My hair is so tangled as of lately, and I think it's the shampoo that I'm currently using, the Head and Shoulders shampoo. There's a lot of pros and cons with Head and Shoulders, at least with my personal experience, and one of the cons is that it tangles my hair so badly. So a detangler can really help me out, even though I don't plan to use Head and Shoulders anymore after this, especially because I'm going to be testing out these products. But I still plan to use this, and I'm really hoping that it's going to really detangle my hair the way I need it to. So last product I have in here is the Thermal Protect Styling Shield for high heat protection of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I think this is really good, although I do not straighten my hair as often as I used to. I think this product will come in handy when I do straighten my hair especially, but I also think this is good when you decide to blow dry your hair, because I often blow dry my hair as well as diffuse my hair. So I think this product would be really good for that. Moving on to the last box, which is the final thing that we'll be unboxing in today's little video. So first product is the Strong Flexi Hold Hairspray. Nice and big. I really like it. And it says it provides the perfect balance between a flexible and firm hold finish, helps to reduce frizz, and provides 24-hour hold in high humidity conditions. So that sounds amazing. Again, going back with what I was saying about this product, I think it's really important that it doesn't have that crunchy feel. It's a nice, soft, touchable feel to it. So this one claims to do that. This one kind of reduces frizz, great for any times when you're out in the humidity. So I think this product is great for that. And the final product is the Monat Black Shampoo and Conditioner. This is so nice, so sleek. You guys, purple, lavender, and black, all black. Really like the color combo with this one. It says it is infused with rejuvenating oil. It moisturizes and cleanses and thickens the hair. So it helps prevent hair density loss while boosting strength and vitality. Pretty good. So I guess it's really meant for those who have hair loss. They can work this bad boy into their hair, and over time they will see a progression in their hair growth. So I think that's really neat, pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to using all of these products over the time, how it works for me, how it works for my hair, and see how it works for other people too. I think the one product that I'm really looking forward to are these two right here, the Revitalizing Shampoo and Conditioner, because it's really good for hydration. I'm not too sure if I actually read the back of these, but it says it boosts volume, moisture, and shine while gently conditioning the hair for this one here. And this one is this sulfate-free shampoo helps to boost volume, moisture, and shine. So as I talked about earlier with my dry scalp, I think it's really important that I have hydration in there, and moisturizer is like key for that. So these two products are, I think, going to be my favorite out of the entire package. Looking forward to using everything. I do plan to do a Monat related video at least once a month. So this one just happened to be the first one, an introduction of the company, my position in the company, the products that I received today, and just how my hair looks today versus how it will look in the next video, which is going to be next month. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys have a specific video related to Monat that you would like to see, please drop it down in the comments below, as well as I'm open to hearing any of your suggestions for any type of video content, if it's related to Monat or not. But yeah, if you guys want to shop retail, my link is down below. If you have like more in-depth questions, again, socials down below. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please leave those suggestions down below too. Alright you guys, that concludes today's video. I'm super excited for my journey with this brand. I'm really excited to see how my hair is going to flourish, how my hair is going to be more defined, and I'm just really excited, you guys. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, then please subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Show me easy, show me the heartache.